Let's have some fun.
Come on.
The weather is cool today.
I will fix it now.
Oh, rain?
Huh? What is it? Something is dripping on me again.
Maybe it's going to rain?
There is not a cloud in the sky.
There are no clouds, but it rains.
Let's move to another place.
Okay, come on. Everything seems to be fine.
I think so too.
No, it starts raining again.
Drops are falling again.
On me too.
And what should we do now?
Can we sit under a tree?
Good idea.
Oh yes, it's good idea.
Look at this tree.
Yes, big one. Let's sit here.
But tree won't save you.
It's raining again? But why?
Yes, it's weird. I don't think it's because of the rain.
And why? Okay.
Strange. Where did they go? Enough! I give up!
Okay, then leave us alone.
Okay, I won't do it anymore.
It was funny.
Yeah.
The water is over. Now I definitely want to splash again.